Hello, hello, hello again. Yes, I'm in a different venue. I was visiting a friend of mine and I realized, oh my goodness, I need to go pick up my order before they return it to sender. So yes, I ordered a pair of shoes from good old Fashionphile. And she came in, I missed all 3 attempts, as you can see. If you've ever worked, I used to work for UPS and FedEx, like years ago. Oh gosh, 20 years ago. And that notation, I know what it means. So yeah, came by 3 times, missed me all 3 times, so I had to go pick it up. But it is here with me now. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. See what I got. I hope they fit. I know I got I found a pair of size 42 Chanel boots that I ordered, and those bad boys didn't fit. I was so disappointed. I mean, didn't fit as in, I think it said size 42, but they were really more like a 40, if not a 39. They were so small. But anyways, here it is. This looks pretty beat up, right? Why is it all scuffed up and it's never been opened before? Well, here's the normal stuff. Man, I hope this doesn't mean that there's something wrong with this. Okay, so if you've never received a Fashionphile order, yeah, what the, something fell on the ground before they put on the box, but whatever, as long as the item isn't messed up, I'm not gonna bother. Let me make sure my address isn't on it. Yes, it is. Let me flip that bad boy over. So you get a little something that explains, you know, what's in it. My address is on it so you can see. Then just a little thank you, and that they want you to sell it back if you ever decide that you don't want it anymore. I might not be selling this back. This might be going back if this bad boy don't fit. But I have a similar pair of Louis Vuitton shoes that I ordered over the summer directly from Louis Vuitton. And I did an unboxing and they didn't fit. So it's the same style of shoe, a different pattern, but this on the men's side. So the women's side didn't fit me, so I'm gonna check to see if the men's side does instead. So here we go. Oh, we do still get the files, okay. Get a Fashionphile. It's not hilarious. And then, let's see what we got going on here. Untie it. Please look as good as they did online. I will let you guys know this is going to be an animal print shoe. Animal print. Are you going to cooperate with me and open on up here? See, this is why I need kids to help me with my unboxings. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, well, I can get one out. Oh, no, I sure can't. Let me see here. Okay. Let me get these out. Here they are. Oh, my goodness. Oh, and they have more detail on it than I realized. Let me see. Okay, it comes with a dust bag. Oh, that little V means this was a employee purchase. Alrighty, I don't know if you could see that. The little indentation, the V with the circle around it. I've been told that's what this means. Very nice. Okay, wait a minute. This better come with the ties. See here. Oh yes, the other tie. Looks like it's in here. Yay! Okay. Oh, good. So shoestrings are in there. Very good. And we have the Louis Vuitton Derby shoe, 39. It said 42 online. If these are a size 39, I'm screwed. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, No, Chanel has a size on the bottom, not Louis Vuitton. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I'm usually pretty good about double checking the sizes. These better not be a 39. Let me just try putting this on my foot first before I get excited. Oh my goodness. Ooh, these feet are ashy. Okay, so y'all won't be seeing that. They fit. Oh, Ash. Oh, they fit. They fit. And they're not big. They fit. I think my toes like, yeah, it's right here. I'll link my unboxing from over the summer. There was another Derby shoe that I had. It's the women's side. It had, it was black with monogram, LV monogram accents. And I just love the style, but the shoe, it just didn't fit my foot. So you know what, a 39 will be a 9 in a men's. So that's an 11 in women's. Okay, I'm just crazy. It's okay. I'm so excited. Oh my God, and they feel so nice. Okay, let me give you some detail. So it's supposed to be zebra print, some blue accents, and see the tip. And yes, these are definitely very unique shoes. But I love them. I love them. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I want to say, I think I got these for, what do you mean I think? I have the price right here. Let me look this up. Beautiful and beautiful. Yeah, they were $295. $295 with tax, it came to $320.81. Okay, just to give you an idea, the shoes I bought over summer were $1,000 more. They were like 12 something, but they were beautiful shoes. But yeah, I am definitely happy with this. I love this. This is going to go so cool. I have jeans. I have some leggings I can wear this with. This is definitely going to be the, I guess you can say, the focal point of outfits. The shoes. Let's see how I'm going to style this bad boy. But anyways, came with the dust bags. One for each. The Louis Vuitton dust bag. Each one. Oh, wait. 3. No, that's 2. No, that is 3. Oh. So I have 1, 2. Now, these look like shoe dust bags. This did seem a bit big for a dust bag, but I'm like, I don't care. Oh, so I lucked out. So I got 2 dust bags for the shoe, and then another dust bag just for shits and giggles, I guess. That's all right. I definitely have a pre-loved bag, Louis Vuitton bag that can go in this bad boy. Ooh, so that was a nice little bonus. I'm sorry to whomever didn't get their dust bag. They accidentally stuck it in with mine. So anyways, I like it a lot. Okay, I'm gonna have to try an outfit on. Well, not today, but I'm gonna have to do something. Figure this bad boy out. See how I'm gonna style it. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm even happier that I got to save a little bit of money. Now, I will say, I think the shoes I purchased over the summer, if they had fit, they would have gone with a lot more things. But you know what? Black and white is black and white. I can still make it work. It does have the blue throughout. But I mean, I will tell y'all something. I have several pairs of Louis Vuitton shoes now. And their quality, it's very, very good. And I mean, I don't have as many shoes as I have bags and whatnot, so I can't change them out as much. Man, Louis Vuitton shoes they last. They definitely last. Oh, I love this detail. Okay, I have this, and this rubberized sole, and this gives me a little bit of height. I like that. I'm 5'6½", I believe. And then I have the extra. I know I saw it. I don't know what I did with it, but I know I saw it in the bag. Maybe. I don't know. But anyways, I'm very happy. Okay, let me know what you guys think. I love these shoes. Always keep an eye out on oh, there it is. Always keep an eye out for Fashionphile, y'all. You never know what you'll find. There's a pair of shoes I'm eyeballing now. They're a little out of my price range, so I'm hoping it'll get discounted soon. It's actually been discounted by 5%, but I need that to be more like 20 or 30% for it to fit within my price range. I can't do $2 for shoes. So no, they're $1,500. But either way, I need like, can we at least get them under $1,000? Doc on it. I love these shoes. See, this is a sign if I really like it. I keep wanting to touch it and look at it and whatever. So anyhow, thank you for watching. This is my new pair of Louis Vuitton Derby shoes. I believe these are from either 2016 or 2018. I can't remember which. If I find out, I'll put it on in the description. And yeah, that's it. All right. Y'all have a good one. Bye.